In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your order on the Foot Locker website. Whether you're eagerly awaiting new sneakers or any apparel, knowing how to check your order status can really ease your mind. Let's dive right in and get started. First, let's head over to the Foot Locker website. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Safari, or any other option you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, type in www.footlocker.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to their homepage where you'll find a wide array of products and promotions. Now, if you already have a Foot Locker account, locating your order details becomes significantly easier. Begin by navigating to the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. You will see a box pop up prompting you to enter your email and password. Go ahead and input those credentials and click to sign in. In case you've checked out as a guest while making your purchase, there's no need to fret. You can still check the status of your order by using your order number provided in the confirmation email you received post-purchase. Once you're logged into your account, it's time to access your order information. Look for your profile icon or account name at the top of the page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Order History. This is the section that compiles all your purchase activity in one convenient place, making it easy and efficient to keep track of your orders. In your order history, you'll see a list of your most recent orders. Each entry includes detailed information such as order date, items purchased, and payment details. To view specifics of a particular order, simply click on it. This action will bring up further information regarding the shipping progress and any additional notes related to your purchase. If you're particularly eager to know whether your order is on its way, the order details will include the current shipping status. Look for a tracking number associated with your order if it's been shipped. This number is linked to the carrier's website, be it UPS, FedEx, or USPS. Clicking this link will take you to the courier's tracking page where you can see the current location of your package and anticipated delivery date. On occasion, you might find that your order status says processing. This simply means that Foot Locker is still preparing your items for shipment. In such cases, patience is key, and it should be on its way soon. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to efficiently track your orders through Foot Locker's website. Whether you're using this information for planning purposes or simply to ease your anticipation, this process helps keep you informed every step of the way. Remember, keeping track of your orders online doesn't have to be complicated with these steps in your toolkit. Thank you for watching and happy shopping!